If you're tired of sacrificing features for affordability, the Blackview A200 Pro is here to change your mind. This smartphone delivers a flagship-like experience with stunning design, powerful performance, impressive camera capabilities, and features you won't find in many phones at this price. Let's explore why it could be your next upgrade. The A200 Pro doesn't just feel good in your hand, it looks amazing too. The curved 6.67-inch AMOLED display offers an expansive view with rich colors and deep blacks. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just scrolling through your feed, this display is a treat for the eyes. And did we mention it's surprisingly lightweight? That makes long gaming sessions a breeze. Don't let the price fool you, the A200 Pro's performance is nothing short of impressive. The MediaTek Helio G99 packs serious power, handling everyday tasks effortlessly. It's also built for gaming, so you can enjoy smooth frame rates and immersive graphics. But here's the kicker, you get 12 GB of RAM, and Blackview's virtual memory expansion technology borrows an extra 12 GB from storage. That's a whopping 24 GB of RAM for the most demanding multitasking, something rarely seen at this price point. The 108MP triple camera system isn't just for show. It captures stunning shots day or night. The dedicated night mode delivers brighter, sharper images even in challenging light. Want to get super creative? Experiment with long exposures, slow motion capture, and the dedicated macro lens for those intricate close-ups. Blackview's ArcSoft 6.0 algorithms mean your photos and videos get an extra boost of clarity and color accuracy, so you get pro-level results. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The 5050 mAh battery keeps you powered through even the busiest days. And when it's time to recharge, the 66W fast charging gets you back to full power in record time. But it's not just the core features. The in-display fingerprint sensor ensures quick and secure unlocking, while the smart PA box speaker delivers surprisingly immersive audio for a phone in this price range. Experience the clean and intuitive interface of docOS 4.0, based on Android 13. Get the latest Android features with a touch of personality. This streamlined software lets you customize your phone without feeling overwhelming and offers helpful features like split screen and a dedicated game mode for those focused play sessions. The Blackview A200 Pro redefines what you can expect from an affordable smartphone. It delivers a premium experience with cutting-edge features, proving high-quality tech doesn't have to break the bank. If you value great design, smooth performance, a versatile camera system, and those unexpected extras, the A200 Pro is the phone you didn't know you needed. Ready to see it for yourself? Click the link in the description below to learn more about the Blackview A200 Pro and snag your own. Thanks for watching.